Let's learn how to earn with hydration on this week How to Use, brought to you by Polkadot Insider. Let's get started. First up, you will need to launch the app. Step 1. Access hydration.net and click on Launch App. Step 2. Start to connect with your wallet at the top right of the website. In this video, we are not going to talk about swapping, but focus more on earning profit with hydration. There are 3 ways for you to earn profit on hydration. The first way to earn profit is by adding liquidity hydration pool. There are also 2 types of pools, which are Omnipool and stablecoin, and isolated pool. First, let's start with Omnipool and stablecoin. Step 1. Click on the liquidity button on the top tab of the website. Step 2. Choose Omnipool and stablecoin. Step 3. There are 17 pools as options to choose. Step 4. Find your favorite pools. In this example, we will work with the pool with the most TVL, in which dot. Step 5. Click Detail on your pool, and the app will lead you to this. Step 6. There are details about these forms for you to learn. Check out for more. Step 7. Prepare your funds on your connecting wallet. Step 8. Click Add Liquidity, and the windows will pop up. Step 9. This window allows you to fill in the number of assets that you want to add. Then choose your correct amount of funds and start adding with the Mint Liquidity Position button. Step 10. Agree your wallet and pay up with a little HydraDX as fees. Step 11. After all, your staking is successfully live. The second one is isolated pools, and here are the guidelines. Step 1. Click on the liquidity button on the top tab of the website and choose isolated pools. Step 2. There are 5 pools as option to choose. Step 3. Find your favorite pools. In this example, we will work on the pool with the most TVL, in which dot and sub. Step 4. Click Detail on your pool, and the app will lead you to this. Step 5. There are details about these forms for you to learn. Check out for more. Step 6. Prepare your funds on your connecting wallet. Step 7. Click Add Liquidity, and the window will pop up. Step 8. This window allows you to fill the number of assets you want to add in. Choose your correct amount of funds and start adding with the Mint Liquidity Position button. Step 9. Agree on your wallet and pay up with a little HydraDX as fees. Step 10. After all these steps, your staking is now live. Staking is also a great way of earning passive income. Now let's stake with HydraDX token. Step 1. Click on Staking at the top of the website. Step 2. Look at the table at the right-hand side. Step 3. You can find things like this. Step 4. Choose the amount of HydraDX that you want to stake and fill in the blank in the middle of this table. Step 5. Click on Stake and confirm your extension wallet that your staking is live. Lastly, like other exchanges, there is a referral system on hydration to motivate contributors and introduce to more people. Before starting to build your affiliate program, you will need to generate your signature. Step 1. Click on Referrals at the top of the website. Step 2. To generate a trading link, you will pay a small tax, including 222 HydraDX plus transaction fees. Step 3. Check out the system information. Step 4. After successfully generating a ref link, you can start asking, introducing hydration to others, and earning your passive income. And that is everything for this week guidelines. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time on Polkadot Insider.